Welcome, cooking enthusiasts. Today, I present to you a dish perfect for any season, chickpea salad, a union of freshness and nourishment. For this recipe, you will need 400 grams of chickpeas, 1 small red onion, a bunch of fresh parsley, 1 ripe tomato, 1 cucumber, juice of 1 lemon, extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper. You can also add pitted black or green olives, canned tuna, feta, or any other cheese of your preference. If you use dry chickpeas, remember to soak them the night before and then cook them in plenty of water until they are tender. Thinly slice the red onion and place it in a bowl with cold water and a pinch of salt. Wash and cut the tomato and cucumber into not too small pieces. Drain and dry the chickpeas, if canned, and put them in a large bowl. Add the tomato, cucumber, drained onion, chopped parsley, and to taste, salt and pepper. Dress with extra virgin olive oil and lemon juice, then mix well. If you prefer, you can now add olives, drained tuna, or cubed cheese. Let it rest in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. Remember to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss new, tasty recipes, and visit our website for tips and culinary variations. Chickpeas are a staple in Mediterranean cuisine and are rich in protein and fiber, perfect for our salad today. Thank you for watching and bon appétit!